Claude Code is everywhere right now, and most people watching aren't real developers, and that's fine. You don't need to be. Here's what I made with it. A simple booking page for a barbershop. It took me 10 minutes to make this. Claude Code lets you build real things without knowing how to code. Things people will actually pay for. Today I'm showing you exactly how, starting with local businesses. That's where the easiest money is right now. And I'll show you some examples of my work. Now, here's a mistake everyone makes. They learn the tool, they build demos, they watch more tutorials, YouTube, and they make zero money. Stop building things for practice. Start building things that solve a real problem for a real person. That's the whole shift. And local businesses, well, they're full of problems nobody has solved yet. Just think about the businesses around you, all right? The barbershop, the dentist, the personal trainer, small restaurant. 43% of small businesses are actively looking for tech upgrades. They just can't afford a real developer. A proper agency charges like $5,000 minimum for something simple, and most small businesses, they don't have that budget. And that's the gap. That's where you walk in. Their problems are really simple. They're not asking for anything complicated. The barbershop still takes bookings over the phone. The restaurant updates their menu manually. The personal trainer tracks 20 clients in a spreadsheet that breaks every other week. These aren't tech problems. They're just small daily frustrations nobody has fixed for them. These business owners, they know they need something better. They've looked at the big tools, but the big tools are too expensive or too complicated or just don't fit what they do. You can build that with Claude Code, even with zero experience. Honestly, you just describe the problem in plain language, in English, and Claude will write you the code. It'll build the files. It creates the thing. You don't need to understand the code. You just need to understand the problem. Honestly, that's the whole skill, understanding what someone needs and describing it clearly. So here's the exact process. Step 1, you find a business with a visible problem. You go local. Honestly, just go around you. Just talk to people. Ask one question. What's the most annoying thing you manually do every week? And they'll tell you instantly. Business owners always have an answer to that question. Always. Step 2, describe the solution to Claude Code. Just be specific. Just don't go in there and, just type, make me an app, all right? This doesn't work. First of all, use the desktop version, and then just do something like this. Build me a simple booking page for a barbershop. It shows available time slots, lets client pick one, and sends a confirmation email to both the client and the owner. And this is exactly what I've made here, so let's just go and see how it works. You should use plan mode first. Claude will ask you questions until it understands exactly what you need, and then it builds. You don't write a single line of code. Step 3, just test it and fix it. Expect a few rounds of fixes. That's normal. That's not failure. That's just the process. If something breaks, just paste the error message back into Claude Code. It fixes it, and most simple builds are working properly within 2 to 4 rounds of back and forth. Step 4, go back and just show them. Don't pitch it. Just show it working. Pull up your laptop, show them through the thing, walk them through it, and let them see their problem is solved. That's your sales pitch. You provide value up first. Now let's talk numbers. Honestly, simple tools and small custom solutions go anywhere from $500 to $5,000 in the real market. You're not charging $5,000 on your first project. Just be real about that. But $200 to $700 for a simple booking page like this one, or a customer contact tool, that's completely realistic, especially when you're selling to someone local who already knows you. And here's what makes this model smart. Once you build it for one barbershop, you have the template. The next barbershop takes half the time. You're not starting from scratch every time. You're refining the same solution and selling it to a whole niche. Or you can just list the template on Gumroad or anywhere else. Or sell it directly to 10 similar businesses in your city. One build, multiple sales. That's when it becomes a real income stream. Let me give you concrete things you can build right now, today. A one-page website with a working contact form. Now, local tradespeople, like plumbers here, they're massively underserved. Electricians as well, painters, landscapers, a huge number of them, they have no website. Now, a clean, simple page like this one that sends leads straight to their phone, that's real upgrade for him. And have a look at this. Claude made this for me, and there's a button here, and if I click on it, you can see that it's a telephone link, and if I did this on my mobile, it'll directly call the person, all right? Or send the text with this button right here. And as I've told you, Claude will ask you questions and it'll just build the whole thing. And of course, you can reiterate, you can change the colors, you can just talk to it back and forth to fix what needs fixing. Now, a booking page we just covered. Barbers, personal trainers, therapists, cleaners, any service business that takes appointments needs one. Most are using phone calls, WhatsApp, or a tool that doesn't quite fit. A simple custom booking page like this one with their services, their hours, their name. It's worth a few $100s for them easily. Restaurants, cafes, food trucks, they change their menu constantly. Right now, most of them are paying someone to update their website every time. Also, simple client progress tracker. Personal trainers, coaches, whatever, they're managing multiple people and they track everything in messy notebooks or spreadsheets. A simple tool where they just log each client's progress and see everything in one place, that's what they need. And none of these are advanced builds. Honestly, you can go from idea to a working deployed app in a single afternoon with Claude Code. That's not hype. That's just a well-described build. And Claude Code is the one making it. Now, honestly, your first build will take longer than you expect. There will be errors, things that break, steps you have to redo. That's fine. That's how it works for everyone at the start. Your first client might say no, or they might ask for change that you didn't plan for. Also fine, that's just part of it. The good thing is that you're not competing with professional developers, and these are not big technical projects. You're going where they don't go. Local businesses around you, small operators, people who need something simple and affordable. And the market is massive. And almost nobody is serving it properly right now. But please do not expect $3,000 in your first month. Do expect your first paid project within 20 to 40 days if you're actually having conversations. One project, one small win, and that's how it starts. Here's exactly what to do after this video. First of all, install Claude Code. You need a Claude Pro subscription. Setup takes under 5 minutes, and there are beginner guides to walk you through. Then pick one local business you already know, a place you go regularly, or a friend's business, or a family member's shop, someone who will give you 10 to 15 minutes of their time. Then just ask them one question. What's the most annoying manual task in your week? That's it. And then just go home and build a simple version of the solution. Describe it clearly to Claude Code, use plan mode, just let it ask questions, and let it build. And then just go back and show them. Offer a fair price, something they say yes to without thinking too much. You don't need a portfolio. You don't need a degree. You don't need to buy a course. No need to understand the code and what it's doing. Just understand the problem and be willing to start. Local businesses need simple solutions. They pay someone local who actually gets what they need, and that person can be you. Not someday, right now. Find a problem, build a solution. That's where the money is.